Right.
Oh god.
Right. What? Well, yeah, we were, playing, shaking our hands quite violently. What the fuck is your problem barging in here like that, mate? Well, listen. Well, anywho, let's get down to business then, shall we? I'm gonna be a little bitch and cry about things I don't like while sounding super intelligent with my accent, right? I mean, come on. That's what you people like here, right? 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 Well, that got a little out of hand. Well, anywho, let's bitch about something. Why the fuck is the sky blue? Like, seriously, man, right? It's bullshit how the sky is blue. That's fucking racist, man. To think we are teaching our children that this is natural. The sky being blue is just... Quotation mark. Please insert reason why I am right using British accent and why you are wrong comment / slam another YouTuber because I am badass. End quotation. I bet you bigots feel all dumb for thinking different from me now, don't ya? And guess what? I'm getting a shit ton of Google asset money. And now it's time to play some stupid ass music from 1922 because there's no copyright on it yet, since it's considered in the public domain. I have no real talent. What? Well, I guess it's back to it then. Right.
Oh god.